Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into Venmo using phone, email or username. First of all, open your Venmo app and then tap login. After that, go ahead and enter your phone number or your email, phone number, username or email. Then enter your password. After you've entered your password, verify the code. It will either be sent to your Gmail. Check your page. If it's not there, look for it in the trash or in the spam. It might be there. Now it might also show up in your SMS, and if it's still not there, check your WhatsApp. It will be there. After you get your code, go open Venmo and then enter your PIN there. After that, have access to your account. This is the quickest way to log into your Venmo app. Safety tip: do not share verification codes ever. Quick fix: log in from Venmo.com. If the app glitches, go to Safari and then you're going to Venmo.com and then try logging in over there. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.